Milwaukee New Year Fashion Show video. Bây giờ muốn theo cái này cái túi sản luôn không? Bây giờ theo sẽ bây giờ những từ này hỗ trợ nào nó có những nhà đó nó bây giờ thế này sẽ bây giờ hôm nay được túi trong nhà.
Hmong culture means to me is our language.
Sân cặp bên hông, giờ việc của xã ở lối tây Hà Nội có bên hông.
I believe that knowing your background and your culture is important. The most important part of Hmong culture is keeping it alive, because with every new generation we forget a part of who we are because we are integrating ourselves so much into the American culture that we lose a piece of ourselves. So it's always nice to remind ourselves that this is where we came from, this is where my parents come from, because our parents try so hard to tell us, but I think sometimes they just give up because they're like, oh, my kids are too Americanized, what can I do? So I guess my message for the youth is just try. You know, even the smallest effort does a lot, because you know we don't want our parents' struggles to come to America to be all for nothing.